As Salesforce admins, we frequently deploy updates or install new packages to enhance our organization's functionality. But how do you ensure your users are equipped to navigate and embrace these changes? Let's say you've deployed a new feature in Salesforce, like custom record sharing for the lead object. The best way to ensure users are up to speed with the change is by creating a custom walkthrough using Salesforce In-App Guidance feature. Upon login, users will see a prompt notifying them of new changes. They just click Next to proceed. Clear instructions appear as they click Next, guiding them through each step. Users are directed to the lead record page, where they'll open any lead. Next, the prompt highlights the Custom Sharing button, which they click. A prompt appears, guiding them to fill in the details and click Save. With just a few simple steps, your users are now trained on how to use the new custom sharing functionality effectively. This is just one example of how you can build guided, step-by-step walkthrough for any new feature or functionality you implement in Salesforce. Follow us for more tips on improving user experience and maximizing Salesforce functionality.